Hi, I'm Jean Haas. Yeah, that's me, and I'm helping a student with her dress form. We have so much fun, and I'd like you to come and join us. We're going to laser set all your lines. See, we're going to start out with all your vertical lines, princess line seams, center front, center back. I've got a method to show you. Everybody's body is so unique. These lines are custom set directly onto your form, and you'll learn exactly how to use them. The student was in disbelief. She couldn't believe that this dress form was an exact copy of her body. She had to put her jacket on to prove it. Not only that, we show you exactly where these lines size up to your own garments. Look at the break of the collar and how it matches our lines that we had set for her. Your design lines can be seen right through your tissue pattern. Makes fitting a breeze. Once you have all those design lines set onto your dress form, then you can go on to learn how to drape a pattern like this student did. She draped this in just a matter of a couple hours. Beginning student. We not only set center back and center front, but we have princess line seams and all the essential vertical lines that you need for your draping and pattern work. Plus, as an added bonus, we ask you to bring your jewelry so that we enhance the necklines for your jewelry to make them stand out. I can't even begin to tell you how much fun we have. I think I'll let the pictures of these students tell it all. All these students are well on their way to successful pattern making and draping. Now it's your turn, so why don't you sign up now?